The areas affected include a portion of central metro till 4:15 a.m. Saturday. Urban area and small stream flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. The area Bill, Carsbrook, Whitehall, Monticello, Advance Mills, Boomsville, Oberton, Shadwell, http://www impacts, flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other are expected until 7 a.m. Dangers of flooding. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. Somerset, Shadwell, Old Somerset, http://www.weather. Governor/safety flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.